Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Welcome to another weekend product review. I got another package. As you can see with the lithium ion sticker on it, it's got to be something with a battery in it. I opened it up just now and it's another tire inflator. And this one is the kind that has a battery in it, which means you can go and inflate whatever you want, whenever you want. You take it with you. You don't have to be plugged in somewhere. So that's great. Nicely packed, good insulation. USB inputs, power input, LED light, hose insertion, vent, LCD display with up and down buttons on high PSI, low PSI, bar, power button, OK button, and M. One of them has to be a power light for this thing. It's got a little accessory box here. Let's see what's in here. The hose nozzle to inflate. Instructions. Get out of here! We don't need instructions. Forget about it. Ooh. It's a rubber coaster. I really don't know what this is. It's not a sticker. It's just some kind of a pad. It says tire inflator. The brand is... There's no brand. It's just TC15 cordless tire inflator. Nulksen. I don't know where you come up with these names, guys, but maybe you should consult with an American person to tell you if the name sounds ridiculous or not. USB-C, USB charging cable. You just plug it into your USB here, and then with a power adapter brick. You should include the brick, because some people don't have it. I'm sure somebody does, but you use that for your cell phone, you know? You should include the brick that plugs into the wall, because otherwise you're limited to just plugging this into your computer or something, you know? Or use an extra brick. Nozzles for your blow-up toys, your balls, basketball, football, tires, and different size valves. So I'm going to insert the hose into this threaded area where you're supposed to shove it. Tighten it up. And let's hope that this is fully charged for me to test. Okay, let's press the OK button or the power button for 2 seconds. Oh, you don't need 2 seconds. You just need 1 second. As you can see from the bars, it's 4 full bars. And it's on PSI. Let's press OK. Very cool. Oh. M is for memory, I guess. You can lower and raise your PSI for whatever you need. Like if it's for your car, 35 to 40 PSI. If it's a lawn tractor tire, it's about 10 PSI, depending on what you need. There's nothing to it, man. Very cool. I believe you can stick your cell phone charger in here, and you can charge your phone with this battery. I believe you can do that. With most of them, you can. I'm going to try to figure out how the lights go on without reading the directions. I've got my large rototiller. I just put an inner tube in here, but I wasn't able to inflate it fully. On the tire, it says 20 PSI, but it is only a It is only a inner tube, okay? So let's see how much PSI is in here right now. It only shows 8 PSI. So I want to put a little bit more in here. So we'll use our new Nulksen tire inflator. And we'll put it on here. We'll turn on the power. And it shows 8.5. So very precise gauge in here. And we'll just turn it on and get it to at least 15. Let's do 15. Because it's an inner tube, it's not designed to show what it says here. This says 20, but that's only for tubeless. So let's just go to 15. There we go. Good enough. So it works just fine. You could also set it to 15 and let it stop on its own if you wanted to. But that's it. Works just fine. Very easy. 2 seconds. It took less than 2 or 3 seconds to get this to 15, you know. So very good. And you press it for a couple of seconds and that light goes on. Tap it again. Tap it again. Tap it again and it's off. And then it turns off by itself. So if you keep your finger on the power button for 3 seconds, the light goes on. Then you tap the power button again once, and it shows the SOS, universal SOS safety signal, as in save our souls. ... dash dash dash. Then you tap it again, and it's like a warning strobe. A warning strobe in case you're in the middle of a highway somewhere and it's dark, and some other car's going to run into the back of you. You put this in the back while you're blowing up your tires so that people could see you. But it also depletes the battery while you're charging too. Inflating your tire. But you have to decide what's more important, you know. And I think your life is a little bit more important than inflating your tire. So looks good. Small, lightweight, compact, wireless. Most importantly, comes with the self-contained lithium-ion battery, LED warning light, and blows up anything you want. Looks pretty good. I like it. It's called the The name. Nulksen. It's called the Nulksen tire inflator. I'll leave a link in the description so that you guys can check it out for yourself. Thanks a lot for sending it to me. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey Henry, see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire right out! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.